Today we're going to talk about FEPI. F-E-P-I. FEPI turned 1 year old today. Way to go, FEPI. FEPI is in my portfolio. If you haven't seen my 500K portfolio, right up here, link. I'm actually going to do a link this time. It's part of my portfolio. FEPI, AIPI. Gotta love the funds. FEPI is a year old. If we look at their index, they're killing it. Literally, they're killing it. Their index since January of 2023 is up 140%. Remember, JEPI's only one now, so they're not quite that far along, but they're killing it. And if you look at the index goes down, FEPI went down, index goes up, FEPI goes up. All we can say is FEPI is a really good fund. Loving it, stable, positive growth. What more can we ask for? FEPI distributions, 25.2. Look at that NAV and distributions together. Fairly stable, looking good. Fourth fastest cover call to surpass $100 million of assets under management. Currently at $389 million of assets under management. What more could we want? What more can you want? They sell their calls 4.5%, 5% out of the money so we can get capital appreciation every month. That combats any NAV erosion. And all you can do is shrug your shoulders and say, FEPI, I hope you're around for another 20 years. Really appreciate you. Till next time.